Hi everyone. Today's lesson is about Tanween. Let's get started. So Tanween is not like a short vowel. It's almost like it, but let me show you something. So I will choose, for example, these letters like harful ba, for example, ta and jim. Okay. So if I do the short vowel damma here, I will say bo. If I do this, to, and if I do this, it's jo, right? So if you're new to my channel and you don't know about the long or short vowels, you can just start from the beginning of the lessons of this series. Everything is on my playlist. I will leave you the link below on the box of description. All right, now I'm going to add another one. Today I'm going to just introduce a tanween with dam. So bo with another damma, bun. Do you hear n at the end? So bun, bo, n. Another damma here, two dammat, tun. So two, tun. Another damma, so ju. So damma here, another one, jun. So let me get this happening here. No. So John. Okay, always you hear the noon. And this tanween, always it's at the end of the word. It doesn't happen in the middle or the beginning of the word. It's at the end of the word. It's called tanween. Tanween. Tanween be dam. Tanween bit-dam because we use the damma 10. Tanween bit-dam at the end of the word. Bon, chon, jon. If chon, hon, any letter and you two dammat, you see the sound n at the end. All right, let's do, I'm going to introduce also the first letter of the alphabet that we saw before. Like I said, go back to other lessons. So here we have Alif. Alif, we said it's a long vowel, but it's a consonant too. I'm gonna do this, Alif. What we do the symbol, it's called Hamza, Hamza. If I do this Hamza with Fatha, it's A. I do Hamza with O and do Kasra. This doesn't let me in here. Okay. E. A, O, E. And this one we say Hamza. Hamza. Always take notes so you can remember next time. Hamza. Hamza فوق الألف. Hamza تحت الألف. Hamza. So Alif. So this is the first letter of Arabic alphabets. Okay. So let's write them all. I'm gonna just clear everything. Okay. So we have so far Alif, Ba, so the set of Ba, Ta, and Tha, and Jim, and Kha. Good job. So now let's see. We have 7 of them so far. I'm gonna just write some short word. here. What do you say here? Alif with ba, abon is father. Abon, father. Okay. Now I'm gonna do another one. Hamatan. Alif with Hamza with Fatha. Ah. This is Kha with Dammatan. Akhun. Akhun. It's brother. Now you can read them, right? Abun. Akhun. Hasan jiddan. Let's do another word. Last one. Just so. This is ta with Damma. Two long vowel. Two ton. Two ton. Two ton. Strawberries. Strawberries. So tutun is strawberries. Very, very good. Now you can read these words. So see you next week, inshallah. Bye.